Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It is happening. Nvidia stock is getting ready to blow the roof, and it is getting ready to blow you away. Now, I know some of you got excited like, oh my God, Nvidia is going to blow me. But no, seriously, guys, this is getting ready for a huge surge to $250. I know that sounds crazy. I know some of you are like, this guy does not know what he's talking about. He just likes blowjobs. He always makes that joke about getting blown and stocks blowing you and the CEOs blowing you. But seriously, they will blow you away. All right, look at this, 215. Getting ready to break out about all-time highs. Every time it's broken all-time highs, it's made about a $60 move. So guys, do the math. I don't know. 220 plus 60 equals 280. That doesn't mean we're going to go straight up $60 in one green candle, but it does mean we are in for at least a move to 250 at minimum, and then possibly 300. I'm thinking this bull market will send it to 300. I see it happening. I don't see how. Bulls, get ready to buy your calls. Leaps 2028. Buy and hold them, and then take your profit at 50 to 100% return. The most important thing to look out for on Monday is that breakout above 217. Get that breakout and just jump in and load up on the calls. I don't know how many you want to buy. Again, I'm just talking about the calls that are as far out as possible. That way you have plenty of time. But if you want to be a little more of a gambler, absolutely buy your calls 1 month out, 3 months out, 6 months out. Just know that when you're buying shorter term dated calls, you better be good. Like, you better be accurate. You better hope that Nvidia does move for the next few months, or you're going to get destroyed. Whereas if you buy the 2028 leaps, they're much more expensive, but you got plenty of time. You don't got to worry about, hey, if it crashes for 6 months, whatever. It'll still hurt, but you know that in the next bull run cycle, it'll go up and you'll make your money back, or at least break even. That is the beauty of buying a lot of time on your Nvidia calls. But again, if you want to play it a little riskier, I do not blame you. I mean, a lot of people like losing money fast. Go right ahead. It is free. Losing is definitely free in the markets. Now, as you can see here, I'm going to show you a very interesting pattern. White line crosses the yellow line right here on the monthly time frame. Don't forget, we look at the monthly time frame, we look at the quarterly time frame, and we look at the yearly time frame. I don't know what these other channels talk about, but they're probably idiots. But we look at the higher time frames because it gives us the big picture look of what's going on. So the monthly time frame, white line crosses the yellow line, you get a signal here, and what happens? What follows? A huge surge of months and months and months of green. We pull back a little bit and we continue with the beautiful green months, and then we pull back again and then we continue, and then you can see the white line crosses the yellow line yet again on this big green candle, followed by 4 green months. So what does that mean? It means, wow, look at this. It's almost like it's rinse and repeat. Here we go. White line crosses the yellow line yet again. And what follows? We know what follows. A huge surge, and possibly months and months, maybe 6 months, maybe 4 months of green. So literally you could just open calls and just buy leaps at the beginning of every month, take profit at the end of the month, rinse and repeat. I mean, you could do that too. I mean, at some point we're going to get a red month, so you would have to take the loss at that point, but you'll make so much on the green months, it doesn't mean anything, right? So very bullish moving forward. I will be alerting Nvidia leaps, I believe, on Monday, unless we go sideways and don't break out, unless something happens, because you never know with Trump and Iran and the whole situation. But we are looking for that big breakout. That big breakout leads to a huge $60 to $80 surge. I think leaps at this point with 50 delta would what? 50 times, they're about $5,000, I believe. 50 times a $20 move, that's $1,000. So yeah, if this moves to $300, that's you're going to make well over 100% return on those leaps. So you'll be able to turn $5,000 into $10,000. You buy like 3, 4, 5 of those, and you're just going to print money. That is the beauty of the bull run. You waited all this time, you survived the bear market, now you get to profit. Unlike the idiots who bought in the bear market and then got destroyed. Now they don't even have money to play the bull market. They're just sitting there wishing they hadn't blown their account up. Be careful with leverage. I know a lot of people are going to start using leverage, margin, etc. I don't recommend it. When you start using margin, leverage of any kind, it means you're being very greedy, because apparently 50% isn't enough for you. So just make sure to check yourself and you're not, getting a little too greedy. And if you start being really greedy, please tell me so I can sell because usually when people get really greedy, greed is actually worse than fear. I've seen a lot of people destroy their accounts because of greed, not so much fear. So if you're ever feeling super greedy, please tell me so I can sell and get the hell out of the markets before everything tanks, because you're a signal at that point. All right, I'll see you in the next one.